this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of December 20th through the 26th in my Recollections planner. I'm using this kit from Life with Mayra. Just the first page I printed off has these super cute full boxes, a weekend banner, some functionals and icons, and a bunch of little things. I also pulled out a few other things to use. I pulled out this Happy Planner sticker book. I think it's called like Gold Digger or something like that. But I thought that the colors went pretty well, so I might end up using things from there. I also pulled my Christmas kit from last year from Chasing Shells. This is called Santa Baby. Again, the colors go really well, so I might pull some of these things in. I think my plan is to use a bunch of these headers here. So we'll see. I think that's what I'm gonna do to get my headers. So I'm gonna leave that out. And then I also pulled a bunch of washi. This one I think is from Amazon, as are these three skinny ones. And then these three are from Michael's. So my plan is to use these two as my bottom washi. So like pretty heavy foiling overall, definitely unusual colors for Christmas. But I like it, so I'm gonna go with that. And then, as I mentioned, I'm going to use these headers. There's 18 of them here. I'm actually going to only need 14 in the end. So I'm probably going to leave out maybe these two that are like actual Christmas trees. And then maybe one of the these guys. Well, my plan is to put down some headers across the top and put down my bottom washi. And then I'm going to come back and we're going to put in our full boxes. And then I'll take another break to put in the rest of the headers because they're going to be shifted slightly to make everything fit. So I think that's my plan. I'm going to do all those things and then come right back. All right, here's where we are currently standing, looking super cute. For the full boxes, I think my plan is, like, these are all paired. I think my plan is to stick one on each side and kind of swap them so that it's like the penguins and the knot. Anyway, it'll make sense when I get going, I think. So I'm gonna use this little reindeer guy as my quote box just because I think he's really cute and super cheerful, which I like. Okay, I just tore the corner of him, so that's fun. I can probably find something that'll make it not noticeable, to be honest, but I'll just stick this in for now. There we go. So that means that I'm going to use that one's friend. There's like very little space between these, so it makes it a little tricky. There we go. Next up, I think I want to use one of the pink ones because that feels like that would make the most sense. So I think I'm going to use this guy. Like so, which leaves this one on the other page. Okay, we're just gonna call that good. Next up, I'm gonna use the other kind of bluey turquoisey ones. Okay, this didn't cut super well, but it's fine. We will fix that. There we go. So I'm going to stick this one on this side since the snowman is on the other side, so that we don't end up with like too many penguins all right next to each other. I know Wednesday and Thursday they're technically next to each other, but there's like the coil in the middle, so I think it's fine. So stick that one here. There we go. And then last up is obviously the darker pink. And this guy will go on Monday. All right, so my plan was to use more of those headers down here, but I'm kind of thinking I might just stick one of these down here. I feel like that would be really cute. Do I want the polka dots or the stars? I think I'm gonna use the stars, so I'm gonna stick that down and then come right back for us to do the interesting bits. All right, I'm liking how this is looking. I think it's super cute. And I do kind of like the little stars along the bottom. I do want to stick in the weekend banner, if I can successfully get it up. I think I'm actually gonna stick it up here because I don't have like that much going on since it's the holidays. So that looks super cute. Yeah, okay. I do have like this little corner that got eaten out. I don't think it's super noticeable, so I might just ignore it, and then if it starts to bother me, I'll worry about it at that point. For the sidebar, I think I'm going to use some more of this washi because why not? Okay. And then I have in all of these leftovers, I think I'm going to use the blue one. I'm just going to use a single one because we're traveling, so I'm not going to track Pepper's teeth because that doesn't really make a lot of sense when we're not going to be here for most of the week. So I can't brush his teeth. So I think I'm going to use this one as self-care. Make sure I'm spending at least a couple minutes trying to do something for me each day. We'll see how that goes. Next up, I think my plan is going to be to use this hydration tracker. It was also from this set. Since I do feel like I'm worse at hydrating when I'm traveling. Okay, so that is now in, and then stick this guy in. And then I'm not sure what I want to fill in the rest. I do have a couple extra full boxes, which don't quite fit, but are really close. Maybe I'll use one of these. I could use something like the caffeine and confidence. I feel like that one could be appropriate. I didn't like plan for this much extra space, obviously. Make your dreams happen. I don't know if I think of like the last week of the year is really about making dreams happen. I guess it's technically the second to last week of the year, but okay. I think what I'm gonna do is use this one that says caffeine and confidence. There we go. And then I have to turn this upside down because I can only roll washi one direction, in case anyone was wondering. I'm just going to stick down a little of this star washi just to kind of go with the rest of the spread. All right, that's super cute. So that is the sidebar done. For the plans, the actual plans. We'll see how this goes. Okay, I do have this guy because I think I'm gonna need to wipe this out because there's just not space to mark that. Okay, so for Monday, Tuesday, I should say, I am working. So what I'm gonna use is inside this Happy Planner book, there's these Get It Done stickers. So I'm going to use these guys. They just go straight across, basically, like that. There we go. And then I'll probably fill in something about work there. So Wednesday is a day off. There is a day off little guy in here. So I think I'm going to use that. I'm getting like scrippy scraps everywhere. But it's fine. Okay. So I'm just going to mark that here. I'm probably going to list it as like travel day or something like that. On Tuesday, I totally didn't grab the right thing. Hang on one second. I'm apparently determined to just like skip around. So we'll go back to Monday and see if we can do this in more reasonable order. I do have my plan with me going live. I'm just going to pull an extra one. These are from Creative Cavern Studio. You guys have seen me use these guys before. There we go. That is my Monday, I think. Tuesday, I do have a work lunch. I don't know how I want to mark that. Maybe I can use one of these icons. There's like this little meeting guy. Sure, we'll use a little meeting guy. So work lunch going in. Also on Tuesday, we do have curling. This blue, these are from the Prairie Planner, by the way. This blue doesn't perfectly match, but I do think it's going to be not distracting once everything is put together. So I'm just going to use it. There we go. Wednesday is travel day. So I'm just going to stick in this little guy below. I'm probably going to write like travel day here, and then I'm just going to put some flight info there or something like that. We'll see how that goes. And then Thursday, I think I'm going to pull these back out. I am working a half day. And then I'm taking PTO for the afternoon. But I think I should mark it. I don't know what's going on in the afternoon. I just felt like I should take a day off. Or a half day, I guess, more accurately. So that's all I know then. And then Friday is the start of when our company closes. So I'm seeing if there's like something that would make sense. There is not. Maybe I'll use one of these guys. I think I want to use this bright pinkish red color. And I'm just going to write in here something like office is closed until 2022 or something. I'm also going to post a video. You'll know what it is by the time you see this. And then Christmas Day, I'm going to actually wipe this out and I'm going to fill in with something more fun. None of those really label Christmas. So I did pull my seasonal stickers. So maybe one of these will work better. I think I'll use one of these. So this is another Creative Cavern Studio sticker. I'm just going to stick that right here. And then I'm going to mark Christmas Day. Our plan is to go over to my grandparents' house for the day. So probably it's just going to be a big box that's filled in here for visiting my grandparents. And then we're doing like my immediate family Christmas on Sunday. That's the plan right now. I'm going to not stress about it too much. We are going to check into a hotel this night so that we can be ready for our traveling the next day. I don't know if I'm going to, how I want to mark that. Maybe I'll just put it with one of these guys. And just stick it down here at the bottom. So we're going to check into a hotel so that we can be ready for a very early flight on Monday morning. So this is where I am with the pre-planning. Pretty bare, but it is what it is. It's the week of Christmas, so you kind of just deal with it, I guess, with a lot of uncertainty. But it's going to be fine. Stick around for just a second and you can see how the finished week turned out. All right, here is the finished spread. I'll give it a little wiggle and a twerk. There's a little bit of foiling on here. If I don't mention it came from the kit, I have lost where I put my leftovers for it. But yeah, that was the thing. This washi is from Amazon. These are from the Chasing Shelves kit, as well as these headers here. This is from Happy Planner, and then this is another Amazon washi, and this one's from Michaels. These are all Happy Planners, Creative Cavern Studio, the Prairie Planner, a Dollar Tree sticker thing, as is this one, Piper Paper Company, Creative Cavern Studio, Dollar Tree, Creative Cavern Studio, Creative Cavern Studio, and Creative Cavern Studio. Everything else came from the kit. So super cute. I love how it turned out. Definitely unusual colors for Christmas week. But I think it was a lot of fun to use, and I really enjoy it. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. Let me know down below what you did for Christmas. I would love to hear about that or whatever holiday you celebrate. And until next time, bye.